Hi everyone, welcome back to the session. Today we're gonna understand the data types and the type function more in the Python programming languages. What is more important that uh, let's start. I will show something. I'm declaring a equal to 20 and b equal to 20, and I need to sum uh, yeah and uh, total sum equal to b plus b. Okay, so if I print total sum comma total, as I shown before, you can print multiple variable by using the print function and using the comma separated by each variable, right? So what happened? So you can see uh, here a the sum it is showing, right? So the 20 is printing 20 plus 20, 20 plus 20 is 40. So what happened if I make this as a string? Let's see. So it is printing 40, as I mentioned, a equal to 20, that's an integer, and 2020 because it is considered as string when I put double quotes. Even if you can put single quote, it will work fine, no problem. And one more thing, one more tip is that before you run, it is good to save. So you can use the Control S button in Windows, and Linux and Mac. You can use some other functions. So basically, what I am trying to say is that in Python programming language or Python, we are using implicit declaration. But in some other program language, see, since it's a character or a string, you have to mention the char function, or for example, you are saying 20.5, like in that you have to use double or float or all the function, because those program language they have to declare explicitly. But here in Python, it can understand, the Python language can understand you are giving the value as string. If you give the double quotes, if you point, if you use the dot and doing some other numbers after prefix, then it is called a float or double, whatever it is. So it is served like that, it will give the value like that. So if I print the C, what happened, it will print without any doubt. So it will print 20.5 no matter. Okay, and you can do one more thing as well. That's what in this session I would like to uh, concentrate. That's a type function. For example, if you need to know a particular type, for example a, and the type of uh, b, and the type of c. So here it's more clear that when you use some functions, print is a function, you have to use a parenthesis, open and closed brackets. So here like that, then the type is a function, so you have to use the same format, parenthesis, like a open and closed bracket, so it will give uh, uh, the output. Here you can see, let me clear, you can clear with the CLS, and yeah, 1 second. Yeah, so it will give a more class the first thing is a type A, that's the int, and the second one is in a string, and the third one is a float. And so you can see what kind of data type it is by using the function type. And that's all about this video, so you can explore more later. And thank you so much.